welcome to this video on outliers. An outlier is an extreme value that lies outside the overall pattern of data. There are various different ways of calculating an outlier. The method to use will always be stated clearly in the question. However, it is usually anything below quartile 1 minus 1.5 times the interquartile range, and anything above quartile 3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. Here is an example question. So if you have a set of numbers and you've got the lower quartile as 70 and the upper quartile as 100, also known as quartile 1 and quartile 3, are 30 and 210 outliers. So the first thing you need to do is work out the interquartile range, which would be 100 minus 70, which is 30, and then you use these sums. So to work out if 30 is an outlier, we're going to do quartile 1, so 70, minus 1.5 times the interquartile range, which is 30. And that gives us 25. Since 30 is not below 25, it's within the correct set of data and therefore is not an outlier. Then we do the same with this equation to work out if 210 is an outlier. So we do 100 plus 1.5 times 30, and that gives us 145. Therefore, 210 is an outlier because it is above 145. Outliers can affect the standard deviation and variance. Sometimes outliers are legitimate values that could still be correct. However, there are other occasions when an outlier should clearly be removed from the data, as it is an error. These are known as anomalies. For example, if you had all the ages of people at a party, 165 is clearly an anomaly because it's not possible. Anomalies can be due to experimental or recording errors. Removing anomalies from data is known as cleaning the data. Thank you for watching.